Oh, our rainbow unicorn cake is ready. Now it's time for some magic. Oh, the cake is looking around.
Wow!
Hello kiddos. Today we are going to draw a cute unicorn cake. So let's get started. Let's color it. I am putting the pink color.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Now I am putting the sky blue color. I am putting now the purple color. Now I am putting dark yellow color. I am putting now the brown color. I am putting now the violet color. Sky blue color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost
Light green color. Orange color. I am putting finally the red color. Now let's quickly draw the outline. Oh, our rainbow unicorn cake is ready. Now it's time for some magic. Oh, the cake is looking around.